Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and welcome to day 4 of our 12 days of giveaway
extravaganza.
Extravaganza, exactly. This one is really special. I'm so excited. I love being able to support small businesses and artists, and I just want to make a little note here that all of these items that we're giving away, we for sure have purchased from these small businesses because I think it's important to practice what I'm preaching to you. I love the opportunity to support small businesses. And so when I have the chance to, I will. And I'm really excited to introduce to you a ceramic artist. They are called Lady Made Pottery here. Okay, so the winner of today will receive this smaller palette here and this beautiful water cup. Now, I have one of these palettes already, one of these smaller ones. I love it. I love to use it. You've probably seen it in some tutorials. And I actually just commissioned this palette and it just came in the mail. And I'm really excited to use it. I love how sturdy it is. I love all of this mixing space. I love that it has little brush rests right here. She does really beautiful work and she's wonderful to work with. And so I'm really excited to share her business with you. I will be putting all of her shop information in the description. And also when I told her what I was going to do with this, she wanted to offer you guys a coupon code. So even if you don't win today, she is still going to give you, and I want to get the details right here. So let me check. Oh my gosh, she's going to give you 25% off.
Nice.
And you just need to use the code 12 days. So we're going to put that all in the description along with her link of her website so you guys can purchase anything. I think she even said commissions too. So anyways, that's so kind of her to do. I hope you guys take her up on that and support her during this holiday season. I can't wait for one lucky winner to get this little set. So Michael, drum roll, please.
Okay. The winner of today's giveaway is Pamela Hart.
Pam, it's so great that you won. You post all the time in the group. You're the best. She always does the projects, Michael. You probably have seen her stuff. Yeah. She'll like do the entire month and take a picture of it, usually with like a little Let's Make Art sticker, I'm pretty sure. But no, is that the right Pam? But anyways, Pam, congratulations. I hope you enjoy this beautiful set from Lady Made Pottery. Again, if you are not a winner, Lady Made Pottery is still giving you a coupon code if you want to support her, 25% off using coupon code 12 days. We're going to put all of that in the description. And Pam will reach out to make sure we have the correct shipping address. If you want to know how to win, all you had to have done is purchase something from Let's Make Art in this last year. It's not too late if you want to possibly win for future giveaways. So you can go to Let's Make Art and get something from there. I think that's all I got to say.
Sounds great.
Congratulations, Pam. And I hope you guys go and check out what Lady Made Pottery has. She has some really great stuff. So I hope you enjoy. We'll see you guys next time.